which I did not know would come on the second day. But alhamdulillah, we're lucky that it's on the second day because the next day is a rest day, not completely rest day. And inshallah, we'll try and finish this session in about 2 hours. The first is the techniques of giving references. And particularly today, we are going to discuss references from the glorious Quran. Point number 1, what is the requirement of giving reference? What is the advantage of giving reference? For example, if I say, the Quran says that dawah is fard for every Muslim. And I say, Quran says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 110, that dawah is fard for every Muslim. Which is more effective? Why? Because evidence, proof, stronger impression. Yeah, brother.
It's a specific message.
Specific message. Some said authenticity, some said, yes, brother.
Because Quran carries more weight, I think.
Quran carries more weight. Yes, Quran carries more weight is correct, but the answer is not correct. Quran carries more weight is correct. But I said, both use the word Quran. Both the times I said Quran, na? Yes or no? But one is with reference, one is without reference. Yes, brother.
With the references, giving confidence.
Confidence. Yes, brother Vinod.
So that when people listen, they can check back whether...
Check back. Yes, brother Arshi.
That leaves room for no doubt and confusion and shows that you're truthful.
It leaves for no doubt and confusion and confirms the truth. Alhamdulillah. All the answers are correct in one way or the other, except that Quran gives more weight. Yes, Quran gives more weight, but both the way Quran. Yes, brother Ibrahim.
It's directly passing on a message.
You directly pass.
It's